How do you make your sales website go from bland to glam? Well, simple. Hire us to provide you a VidPop. This has been proven to increase sales, allow you to inform customers about products or promotions, and has the ability to direct them to not just special offers, but mailing lists, so you can capture more sales, more contact info, and leads to more money being generated from your existing website. But it can't be that simple, can it? Actually, it is. Just choose a plan for 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. At the end of the plan, you have the choice to renew or let it cancel. During the period of your plan, you get weekly upload updates. So if you want to replace a video, it's as simple as requesting it. But what if you want it on more than one page? Easily done. The video will play on one or all pages. You can even have a different video for each page. The process is almost as simple as providing the video to us. We provide you the code and you insert it on your website and you're up and going. How long does it take for it to show up on your website? Usually the longest part is when you insert it to your website and we verify the code was accepted. You are up and going from there, and it's now live. Some limitations apply, so read the description or FAQ for more information.